In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable voice typing in ChatGPT. This will allow you to interact with ChatGPT using your voice, making your experience more interactive and hands-free. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Google is our go-to starting point as it helps you locate the right destination without any hassle. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and hit enter. Google will then display a list of results, among which you'll find the official website for ChatGPT. Click on the link to access the ChatGPT homepage. Once you're on the ChatGPT website, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you should see an icon labeled Use Voice Mode. Clicking this icon is crucial as it serves as the gateway to enabling voice interactions. After you've clicked on the Use Voice Mode icon, a prompt may appear asking for additional permissions. It might be labeled as Continue, and selecting this option is necessary to proceed further. This step ensures that ChatGPT has the permissions it needs to access your device's microphone, allowing you to engage in voice interactions seamlessly. The next step involves selecting the voice you'd like ChatGPT to use. This feature adds a personalized touch to your interaction, so take a moment to explore the available voice options. Once you've made your selection, this voice will be active during your interactions with ChatGPT. Finally, you're ready to start a new chat using your voice. Look for the option that says Start a New Chat and click on it. With this, you can begin your conversation with ChatGPT using nothing more than your voice. Simply speak your queries or commands, and ChatGPT will respond in the same manner, bringing a new dynamic to your interaction. As a tip, make sure that your microphone is working properly before you start. Test it by saying a few words into an application that records sound to confirm it's picking up your voice clearly. Good microphone placement also helps in preventing background noise from interfering with your voice commands. And there you have it, a straightforward process to enable voice typing in ChatGPT. By following these steps, you can enjoy a more relaxed and hands-free typing experience. Whether you're multitasking or simply finding text input a bit too cumbersome. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you find this new feature as convenient and engaging as intended. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy chatting!